Good afternoon, friends. It's Thursday, May 18th. The market has just closed, and I want to go through a very quick and short video today about using the trading zone. And today was another day where the trading zone was 100% accurate. And again, this is a trading zone based on Taylor's trading technique, Taylor's book method. And here you see the trading zone with resistance at 41.81, support down at 41.36. The market opened right over here at 41.66, so almost just above the center portion of the trading zone. So where did it go? Well, first of all, it closed the gap, and it rose well above the trading zone. And so if you're among those who have seen my previous videos and you know about how to use the trading zone, you know that the trading zone is very, very accurate when it comes to the range. And so the range today was 100% forecast by the trading zone. And let me show you why that is. So you see, prices came in at 41.66. They opened at 41.66. And that was actually the low of the day. And the prices actually tested that low over here at 2 in the afternoon. At 41.73, came nowhere near the low. So that meant that this was the intraday low. And so those of you who know about the trading zone, and if you don't, listen carefully, you transpose the trading zone to determine where prices are going to end up. And so I'm going to copy this trading zone. I'm going to make a copy, and I'm going to transpose it to the bottom being at the intraday low right over here, okay? So here is where prices opened up, the intraday low. And where did the trading zone forecast that prices would go? Right over here. And where did prices go? Where did prices end the day? Right over there at 42.11, 42.12. So that's how you use the trading zone more effectively, most effectively. And if you don't know how to use the trading zone is based on Taylor's trading technique. I urge you to get it. It is one of the most insightful things that you could use as a trading tool. Get it at my site at timelessdollar.com. Don't wait, don't delay. You'll be a better trader. It'll give you more information, and you will make more successful trades. So that's my video for today. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Trade safely, use lots of patience. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.